What's up YouTube, Pat the Car Guy here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you today about the coolest looking, most adventurous minivan on the market. This is a 2020 Toyota Sienna SE all-wheel drive with the Nightshade package. So Nightshade is a package available on almost all new Toyotas this year, and it gives you blacked out badging as well as black door handles, black outside mirrors, a black front grille, and the black wheels. This is an SE package, so it has a sportier look to it. You know, you got blacked out headlights, different front bumper. It's still the all-wheel drive model. Also, the SEs come with this, Nightshade includes this black rear spoiler. It's an SE, so it's pretty fully loaded, all power doors. You get the nice dark interior always on the SEs. This one's a really nice looking package. 2020, so it does come with the Apple CarPlay as well as Toyota Safety Sense. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Give me a call at the number below if you're in the market for a new vehicle. We'd love to earn your business. Have a great day.